Friends, today I am going to discuss about the variable name and way of naming a variable using multiple words. And there are three special cases. One is the camel case, in which each word except the first one starts with a capital letter. For example, here the variable name is my variable name, so it contains three words. One is my, second is variable, third is name. You can see that the first word my starts with a small case letter, but the other two names, like words like variable and name, are starting with capital letters. So this is called the camel case. Next comes the Pascal case. In Pascal case, each word starts with a capital letter. For example, here the variable name is my variable name, and you can see that all these three words are starting with capital letters. The third one is the snake case, in which each word is separated by an underscore letter. For example, here my variable name, these three words are separated by underscores, two underscores. So these are the three popular ways of naming multi-word variables in Python.